Upon running the Edge application, after the initial splash screens that show organizational partnerships, the user will see this screen. From this screen, the user can select the arena they intend to use, enter the options screen, perform administrative functions, or close the application by selecting Quit. Let's take a look at the options screen before moving on into the arena. When you select options, you'll see this screen, which allows you to modify video or audio factors. There is more information on these screens in the menus, displays, and controls video. It isn't necessary to adjust any of the controls on these pages, but they are provided for your convenience. Click the back button to go to the previous screen. Once there, choose the arena option where you'll see this screen. To gain access to the in-game training level, click on the training level box and then click on the Select Arena button. This will allow you to gain familiarity on how to function within Edge firsthand. Clicking on the Grand Hotel box and then clicking on the Select Arena button will take you to the character selection screen. From here, you'll have the opportunity to select your character from this screen. Click Create Character or Modify Character to get to the character creation screen. You can select your gender and race on the first screen. Clicking the Next or Forward button at the bottom right takes you to the role selection screen, where you can choose between the civilian or casual bystander role, the dispatcher role, emergency medical services or EMS role, the firefighter role, the law enforcement role, the suspect role, or the unified command role. After selecting the appropriate role, click the Next or Forward button on the bottom right. This takes you to the Parts screen. There will be some variation possible in the Parts screen depending on the role you've selected. For example, law enforcement can click on Upper Body to change their uniform from Police Department Blue to Sheriff Green. After making the appropriate selections, click Finish on the bottom right of the screen. Each role brings different capabilities which will become clear as you proceed through the training videos. After creating your character, you will be prompted to enter your name, so please enter your role, then your last name. After completing your name, select Accept, then click Enter Arena. If you are law enforcement, EMS, or a firefighter, you will enter into the In Transit screen where you will stay until Exercise Control or Incident Command tells you to enter the 3D environment. While in this screen, you will have the ability to participate in the exercise through radio traffic prior to arrival at the scene. When ready and directed to arrive on location, click the Go button on the In Transit screen. You will then be moved to the Spawn Point selection screen where you will be able to click the location that was specified by your incident command. You are now in the exercise. Maintain an alert stance from this point on. Your life and the lives of others depend on it.